Good morning, students. Now let us continue the next topic of the chapter trigonometry, that is formula to transform sum or difference into product. In the previous class, we have learned how we can convert product into sum and difference. Here we are converting the sum or difference into product. Just reverse of the previous one. As you know that sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is 2 sin A cos B. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is 2 cos A sin B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is 2 cos A cos B. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B equal to 2 sin A sin B. If you take A plus B equal to C for convenience and A minus B equal to D, then A, by adding this we will get 2A equal to C plus D, so that A equal to C plus D by 2. B equal to 2B equal to C minus D, so that B equal to C minus D. Using this you can apply the formula, that is first formula is sin A plus B plus sin A minus C. A plus B is C, A minus B is D. Sin C plus sin D, 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin C plus number of formula is coming, dear students. बच्चों देखो बहुत सारे फॉर्मूला, एक एक क्लास में इतने सारे फॉर्मूला आ रहे हैं. आई एम अगेन सजेस्टिंग यू सारे फॉर्मूले अलग नोटबुक या डायरी में लेकर के रोज उसको रीडिंग लगाया करें. देन यू विल लर्न इट बाय हार्टली. अदरवाइज इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू लर्न दिस फॉर्मूला बाय हार्टली. 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. That is the formula of plus. Next is minus. Second, this is transformation formula, sum into product. In the previous class we have learned product into sum. Next is sin C minus sin D is equal to, here it will be minus, it will be plus, 2 sin C minus D by 2 cos C plus D by 2. Now अभी इसका लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टी बढ़ता जा रहा है, इसलिए एक एक क्वेश्चन अच्छी तरह करना. जो भी क्वेश्चन मैं छोड़ती हूँ वो भी आपको करना है, कुछ भी लीव नहीं करना, as well as in NCERT also. Next, cos C plus cos D is equal to, if cos is coming, both are in cos, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Now last formula is cos C minus cos D, because we have taken C is A plus B and C is D is A minus B. So 2 cos A minus B minus cos A minus B minus cos A plus B आ रहा है 2 sin A sin B. तो मैं इसका ऑर्डर चेंज कर रही हूँ, तो इधर क्या आएगा, एक माइनस साइन आएगा, minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 and sin C minus D by 2. I will tell you how can you learn it. Sin C plus sin D, that is first sin then cos. Sin the sum is angle is in sum and cos angle is in difference. Sin C minus sin D just interchange, sin will with difference, cos with the sum. And cos plus cos, both are cos, one is plus, one is minus. And cos C minus cos D, this minus sign, don't forget it. Both are sign, one is plus, one is minus, but minus sign you should remember. Now let us do questions. I hope that you are doing all the questions with me regularly. Otherwise you can't do, you will have a lot of pending work, then you will be in trouble. So I am again advising you, do systematic studies, especially in trigonometry. Now let us start question example 1. Let us start with simple question first of all. Example 1, page number 8.8. Page number 8.8. I am reading the question. Express each of the following as product. First part is sin 4x plus sin 2x. इसको प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है. This is of the form sin C plus sin D. So it is better to write the formula with each question, so that you will learn it by heartly. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. C is 4x and D is 2x. In the beginning it is better to write, and after that by doing a lot of questions you will be expert. Now this becomes 2 sin 4x plus 2x by 2 cos 4x minus 2x by 2. That is 2 sin 3x and cos x. That is we have converted in product form. One more question I will do. Next is for second and third part you can do. Fourth part, second part I am reading sin 6x minus sin 2x. You have to use the formula sin C minus sin D. Third is cos 4x plus cos 8x. You have to use the formula cos C plus cos D. Last one I am doing, since it is of minus sign, cos 6x minus cos 8x. I told you cos C minus cos D is, if you use the formula, you will get minus 2 sine C plus D by 2. 6x, I am not writing formula because of the lack of space. You can write, हमेशा एक ही फॉर्मूला याद करना, माइनस वाला, एंड आरडी जैसे प्लस करे फिर माइनस करना दिक्कत आएगी. cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. That is minus 2 sin 6x plus 8x by 2 into sin 6x minus 8x by 2. That is minus 2 sin 7x into sin minus x. That is, sine function is odd function, so that sin minus x is minus sin x, both minus minus plus, that is 2 sin 7x into sin x. 2 sin 7x into sin x. Now, third and second part you can do by yourself. Next question, that is, I can't do a number of questions are there. I will do a little bit of question. Next you have to do by yourself. Question number 2, example 2, if you want you can do, otherwise you can leave it because it is typical question. Prove that cos 18 minus sin 18 equal to root 2 sin 27. तो एक cos में दे रखा है, एक sin में, तो पहले आपको sin 18 को कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री में चेंज करके cos C minus cos D यूज करना है. Now example 3 of the same page number 8.8. There are 4 parts. I will do first and second part. Third and fourth is you can do by yourself. Both are, all questions are from NCERT. First question I am reading. Prove that sin 5a minus sin 3a upon cos 5a plus cos 3a equal to 10a. Sin 5a minus sin 3a upon cos 5a plus cos 3a equal to, you have to prove is equal to 10. ये proof करना है. Let us start with LHS. LHS is sin 5a minus sin 3a upon cos 5a plus cos 3a. That is, you can use the formula sin C minus sin D, 2 sin C minus D by 2. पहले minus आएगा 3a 5a minus 3a by 2 cos C plus D by 2 5a plus 3a by 2. 2 sin C minus D by 2 cos C plus D by 2. sin C plus sin D में फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस में आएगा, सेकेंड टर्म माइनस में. cos C plus cos D is both are in cos. 2 cos C plus D by 2 5a plus 3a by 2 and cos C minus D by 2 5a minus 3a by 2. That is 2 sin 2a by 2, that is a, cos 4a upon 2 cos 4a, this is cos a. These are getting cancelled, 4a and 2 sin a by cos a, that is 10a, that you are asked to prove RHS. So in this type of questions, it is better that you write the formula, so that by writing formula number of times you will learn it by heartly. Now second part also I will do. Third and fourth you have to do by yourself. Now second part I am doing. Prove that sin a plus sin 3a upon cos a plus cos 3a equal to tan 2a. Sin a plus sin 3a upon cos a plus cos 3a. Cos a plus cos 3a is equal to tan, let me check, tan 2a. Now let us start from LHS. That is, this is LHS. You have to use the formula sin C plus sin D, 2 sin A plus sin C plus D by 2. Lack of space से मैं formula नहीं लिख रही हूँ, आप लिख लेना. Because you can write the formula in your notebook. Sin A plus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 A minus 3A by 2. That is the first step. And second is cos. Both are in cos. That is 2 cos A plus 3A by 2 into sin A minus 3A by 2. Sorry, both are cos. Cos C plus cos B is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. A minus 3A by 2. That is 2 4A sin 2A cos is C1 minus A cos A will come upon 2 cos 2a again cos a. both cos A are getting cancelled. You will get 2 and getting cancelled, sin 2A by cos 2A, that is tan 2A, that is equal to RHS. That is the second part. Third part and fourth part you can do by yourself. Next question I am doing is example 4. Again there are 3 parts. Let us do first part and third part. Second part you can do example 4, page number 8.9. I am reading the question. 8.9. I am reading the question. Prove that first part, cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x equal to minus sin 2x upon cos 10x. That is first part, cos 9x. Let me write first of all question. Minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x upon cos 10x. This is also NCERT question. Now let us start from LHS. I am not writing, this is LHS. LHS equal to cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2. Formula ध्यान से समझना. 9x minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. 9x minus 5x by 2. Now sin C minus sin D is 2 sin C minus D by 2 cos C plus D by 2. That is 2 sin 17x minus 3x by 2 cos 17x plus 3x by 2. That is minus 2 sin 14 by 7x into sin 2x upon, this is again 2 sin 7x into cos 10x. These are getting cancelled, that is minus sin, this is x, 2x upon cos 10x. Cos 10x that you are asked to prove, that is RHS. Very simple. If you do consistent practice, अगर consistent practice करेंगे simple लगेगा, otherwise you will feel it as a huge mountain upon you. So solve, do daily whatever that I am doing, giving in the video, YouTube video as well as homework, so that you will get a clear idea about that. Now third part also I am doing, OLR NCERT. Prove that sin 3x plus sin x into sin x, sin 3x plus sin x into sin x, it is the first term, plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x is equal to 0. Proof करना आपको. Now let us start. You first of all apply sin C plus D. This is LHS. I am not writing LHS. You have to write sin C plus sin D is 2 sin 3x plus x by 2 into cos 3x minus x by 2. This term is multiplied by the terms all are product of, that is sin x. That is the first term. Second, cos C minus cos D, that is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2, 3x plus x by 2 into sin 3x minus x by 2 into cos x. These are the terms coming. That is minus 2 sin x cos x sin x. This is not minus plus because sin C plus sin D. Here minus 2 3x plus x is sin 2x. 3x plus 4x 2x आएगा. Minus 2 sin 2x cos x sin x minus 2 sin 2x again sin 2x by 2, that is sin x into cos x. Same term is coming, you are getting 0. That is equal to RHS. Now second part you can do as homework. Next question. Example 5 of the same page number. Example 5 and example 6. Example 5 of page number 8.10, 8.9, example 6 of page number 8.10. Both are homework. I will not do. ये दोनों आपको homework में करना है. Next is example 6 of the same page number. I am reading the question, that is also NCERT. You can also do this also because it is simple. Because you are asked. Sorry, let us do because it is complicated. Prove that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x equal to 4 cos x cos 2x sin 4x. That is sin x plus sin 3x. sin x plus sin 3x और में है plus sin 5x plus sin 7x is equal to 4 cos x cos 2x into sin 4x. ये आपको प्रूफ करना है. तो इसमें आपको एक चीज को बहुत ध्यान रखना है, किस किस टर्म्स को लेने से आपको कॉमन टर्म आ सकता है. तो सी sin 7x और sin 7x और sin x लेंगे तो 8x आएगा, 3x और 5x लेंगे तो 8x आएगा. तो LHS में अरेंजमेंट करना, ये आपको प्रैक्टिस से मिलेगा. LHS I am rearranging sin x plus sin 7x. This is the first term for getting 8x by 2. Again sin 3x plus sin 5x for getting same term. It is sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2. 7x, I am not showing all such step. 7x plus 8x, 7x plus x, 8x. 8x by 2 is 4x. Into cos c minus d by 2. मतलब x minus 7 minus 3x minus 6 by 2 3 cos c1 that is cos 3x. सारे स्टेप नहीं लिख सकती हूँ, आप खुद कर लेना. प्लस साइन सी प्लस साइन डी अगेन 2 sin 4x cos x. Now from these two terms again you can take 2 sin 4x common. 2 sin 4x cos 3x plus cos x is coming because in right side you want everything in product form. Sin 4x already came. Sin 4x now cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2, 3x plus x by 2 into cos a minus b by c minus d by 2, 3x minus x by 2. That is 2 to 4. 4 sin 4x cos 2x into cos x. 4 cos x cos 2x sin 4x. तो ऑर्डर में चेंज है ताकि 4 sin 4x cos 2x cos x that is equal to RHS. In this question you have to think this be very careful which term angle to be taken together so that you can get common ratio in the next step. That is very important. Next question is, number of questions are there. Example 7, same page number 8.10. I am reading the question. Prove that 1 plus cos 2x plus, so same pattern. This you can do by yourself. Example 7 is again homework. एक जैसा है, पिछले क्वेश्चन में साइन में था, इसमें कॉस में है. पेज नंबर 8.10 that you can do by yourself. 8.10. Next question is example 8, same page. There are 2 parts, 3 parts. I will do first and last and you have to do second part by yourself. First part I am reading. Prove that sin 3a plus sin a into sin a plus cos 3a minus cos a into cos a equal to 0. First part, sin 3a minus sin a into, sorry, plus sin a into sin a plus cos 3a minus cos a into cos a is equal to 0 लाना है. तो मैं 0 हटा रही हूँ, LHS ये हो गया, दिस इज LHS. यू कैन यूज फॉर्मूला sin c plus sin d, 2 sin 3a plus a by 2 cos 3a minus a by 2. That is the formula. One sin a is coming, so that you have to write it also. Again cos c minus cos b, that is minus 2 sin 3a plus a by 2 into sin 3a minus a by 2 into cos a. That is 2 sin 3a plus a 4a sin 2a cos a into sin a. Here minus 2 sin 2a sin a cos a. Minus 2 sin 2a minus 2 plus 2 sin 2a cos a cos a. So cos a forgot. Cos a sin a, all terms are getting cancelled. You get 0 equal to RHS. This is very simple question, but you have to know the formula. Now third part is, I am doing third part of example 8 because you must know everything. Prove that sin alpha sin alpha plus 2 pi by 3 sin alpha plus 2 pi by 3 plus sin alpha plus 4 pi by 3 is equal to 0. Now taking this is LHS. अब इसको कैसे आप अरेंज करेंगे ताकि आपको कॉमन टर्म आ जाए. You can take these two together. That is sin alpha plus sin C plus sin D. That is 2 sin alpha plus 2 C plus D by D. Alpha plus 2 pi by 3 plus alpha plus 4 pi by 3. Alpha plus 2 pi by 3 is C. Alpha plus 4 pi by 3 is D. Whole upon 2. This is the angle. Into sin cos C minus D by 2 alpha plus 2 pi by 3 minus alpha minus 4 pi by 3 whole upon 2. That is sin alpha plus 2 into alpha 2 pi plus 4 pi 6 pi. That is sin alpha plus 2 alpha plus alpha 2 alpha by 2 alpha plus 6 pi by 4 pi 2 pi plus 4 pi, that is 6 pi by 3 by 2. What is coming? Let us check. That is, this is equal to alpha plus pi आएगा. Alpha plus pi. Let me check. To sin alpha plus pi because this is 2 pi by 3 plus 4 pi by 3, 6 pi by 3 by 2. That is 6 pi by 6. That is alpha plus pi. 2 sin alpha plus pi. And cos alpha is getting cancelled. Cos minus 2 pi by 6. Cos is even function, so that you can write this as minus 2 pi by 6 is pi by 3, and cos is even function. Cos minus theta is cos theta. That is sin alpha plus alpha pi plus alpha. Pi plus alpha कौन सी क्वाड्रेंट में? थर्ड में साइन नेगेटिव होता है. पाई का टर्म में तो सेम रेशो आएगा. Minus 2 sin alpha cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. This is getting cancelled. That is sin alpha minus sin alpha equal to 0 equal to RHS. Next question is again NCERT question. Example 9. I am reading the question. There are 3 parts. I will do first part, second and third you can do by yourself. Prove that cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta whole square is equal to 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2. Cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus first part sin alpha plus sin beta whole square is equal to 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2. ये आपको लाना है. Now let us start from LHS. This is LHS. You can apply the formula cos C plus cos D. 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into sin alpha into cos means दोनों cos में आएगा alpha minus beta by 2 whole square, and sin C plus sin D is 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2 whole square. That is 2 square. 4 is coming common. Cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is coming common. Cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is coming common. What is remaining? Cos square alpha plus beta by 2. First bracket में cos alpha by plus beta by 2 का whole square. Cos square alpha plus beta by 2. Here sin square. Let me write here sin square alpha plus beta by 2. That is cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. That is 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2. That you are asked to prove. That is RHS. Now second and third part of the same question are homework. If you have any problem, then you can ask me. Now one more question I will do. The remaining question you can do. Example 6 also very simple. Prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x. Example 10. Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x upon sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x equal to cot 3x. तो आप ये कर सकते हैं. Otherwise, I will do question number example 10 also. Then the remaining question example 11, 12, 13 you can do by yourself. 14 I will do. Example 10 of the same page number 8110. That is, I'm reading the question. Prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x whole upon sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x इज इक्वल टू cot 3x. ये प्रूफ करना है आपको. इसमें आपको एक चीज ध्यान रखना है, किस किस को अरेंज करने से आपको वो कॉमन टर्म आएगा. जैसे हमने बोला था 4 और 2 ले लो, 4x प्लस 2x बाई 2 3x. तो ये दोनों टर्म को साथ में लानी है, आपको अच्छी तरह प्रैक्टिस से आना है. दैट इज LHS इक्वल टू दैट इज cos 4x plus cos 2x. Otherwise you can't take any, you will not get any common factor. Cos 3x upon sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. Now cos C plus cos B, 2 cos 4x plus 2x by 2, that is cos 3x. I am doing right now directly. Do cos 4x minus 2x by 2, that is cos x plus cos 3x. देखिए cos 3x is coming common. Sin C plus sin B, 2 sin C plus B2, that is sin 3x, cos x plus sin 3x. Now you can take 2 cos, from these two terms you can take cos 3x common, the numerator, that is 2 cos x plus 1 is coming. Let me check. And the denominator you can take sin 3x common, again 2 cos x plus 1 is coming common, both are getting cancelled, that is cos 3x by sin 3x, that is equal to cot 3x equal to RHS. That means today we have done a number of questions based on this changing product into sum into product. That is sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, sin C minus sin D, 2 sin C minus D by 2 cos C plus D by 2, cos C plus cos B, 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, cos C minus cos D, that is minus 2 sin. एक ही फॉर्मूला याद करना, आरडी में लग रखा है, आप और याद करोगे कहीं माइनस प्लस की गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाएगा. cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. We have discussed a lot of questions. You have to do all these questions including the homework of the question that I have given. If you have any queries you can ask me. Thank you.